Hey everyone, this is Earl Foote, founder, CEO of Nexus IT here at Nexus HQ in downtown Salt Lake. I'm here with Michael Cullimore, who has recently joined Nexus as a Tier 1 service desk engineer. I'm super happy to have Michael on the team. He's been a great addition so far. The team loves him, our clients love him. Michael, do you want to tell everybody a little bit about yourself, a little bit about your career, what led you here, and maybe something unconventional about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So I've been working in IT for about 7 or 8 years. I worked at Dell for a little while doing support for their large data systems. And I recently came from Utah First Credit Union doing IT for them as well. Something interesting about me is my first ever computer class was when I was in first grade. And it's just been a fun ride ever since. So I've been into computers my whole life. So.
Early love and passion for computers.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, well, I'm old enough that they weren't around until I was in high school. So,
yeah.
Michael, it's a pleasure to have you on the team. Welcome.
Thanks.
Glad to have you. Thanks, everybody.